welcome back to the channel, and today we are bringing you house number 3 out of 5 as promised in this area. And this beauty behind me is a 4-bedroom townhouse going for 16.5 million Kenyan shillings. Don't let the minimalist finish on the outside fool you. It is so beautiful. I can't wait for you guys to see it. So karibuni. So let's start the tour from the outside. So right here you can see you have a little zen garden, nice large windows and floodlights at the top. So on this other side we have a DSU. We'll show you that later, so stay tuned. So come on in, let's get started on the inside.
This door right here, security is covered. So this, you have a frame door right here, it is thin, and then you have the window right here, wooden. So absolutely, here is the living area, and you can see it is staged so well. It is so beautiful. You have a lot of light coming in, and you can see you have beautiful light fixtures, very nice large windows, and we love that on this channel. And then right here, close to the door, you have space to place your car keys when you're coming in. So this place transitions to the dining area. So right here is the dining area, and right here you can see you have a door leading you to the backyard or the laundry area. So right here you have the door and the window are right here. So this place is very well lit, absolutely beautiful. This is a table for 5, but you can obviously use a bigger table for 6 would fit here so well. A beautiful artwork right here, so beautiful, and this beautiful lighting fixture, I love it, I am obsessed with it. To transition from the dining area to the kitchen, you have this beautiful breakfast bar. I really love it. It's so well staged, just look at it. So beautiful. So this kitchen comes with a lot of cabinet space. It is a lot, and I really love it. So over here we have a beautiful double sink. It's so beautiful, and you have a tap mixer here. I think the water is off. It is off for now. Tap mixer, hot and cold water, door to your laundry area, and more cabinet space, black granite countertops, fridge space, and that's it about this kitchen. So let's move on to the laundry area. Quite spacious if you ask me, and here you have a provision for your washing machine. The socket is right here, and here is a provision, a floor drain right here, and that's it. So when you turn on this other side, you're gonna see some hanging lines. This is where you hang your clothes, and when you move to this other side, you're gonna see there's a lot of space. You can place a leg chair or whatever you wish to place over here to just chill. It's a nice chilling space. So let's go to the bedrooms now. Here's the first bedroom. It is a guest bedroom, but it has been staged as a kid's bedroom. But it is spacious, quite spacious for a guest bedroom. So beautiful. Lighting fixtures. Of course, it doesn't come with this one because it's just a staging, but it's a nice guest bedroom. So right here you have, a beautiful study area. Yeah, and that's it about this bedroom. So here is the cloakroom. Right here we have, a hand wash basin and a mirror, and then we have a WC, and the shower cubicle is right there. When you move in, you'll install a shower curtain, and yeah, that's the cloakroom. The cloakroom will have a Harry Potter closet, more storage for you, and is the staircase leading you to the rest of the bedrooms. So we have 3 more bedrooms, so come on. What's the chance you're calling me out? What's the chance I'm here? So here is the landing that's taking you to the rest of the bedrooms, and you can see that here we have, very nice artwork has been done. So it's an example of what you can do when you buy the house. So bedroom number 2 is right here, and you can see it is stunning. So a lot of cabinetry, and it is so well partitioned. As you can see, it is partitioned so well, and this for your jackets, your shirts, and your kids. That's what I mean. And a beautiful bed right here. This is just for staging to just show you how well this would turn out. So beautiful lighting fixtures up there. Bedroom comes with a large balcony and it's not even massive. Yeah, here's the balcony and a large window right here. So yeah, that's it for this bedroom. So here is the washroom for this bedroom. Tap mixer, hand wash basin, WC, and a shower cubicle. Yeah, this place even lights up, and you also have this socket to use for your shavers and whatnot. And you know, a nice place to hang your towel or your hand towel when you wash your hands. And that's it for this bedroom. Let's go to the next room. I hope you guys are really loving this video so far. So guys, we need to talk, okay? Wacha hata nikaribie because we want to grow and we want to get to a different level of production. So guys, if you're seeing this, please subscribe. It goes a long way, okay? Please like this video, share it with everyone. You know, just leave a comment. What's your favorite part of this house? Okay, and that goes a long way. So thank you so much. Let's proceed with the tour. So coming from the second bedroom, you have this chilling spot right here, and also you do have this large window and a chilling spot right there, so you can read your books from there. Yeah, and here is the master bedroom, but we'll show you that in a bit. But first, let's do the third bedroom. So here is the third bedroom, and to my right we have the washroom, quite spacious, shower area, hot and cold water, WC, hand wash basin, mirror, beautiful, just like the other one. So here is the bed area, and this is a very beautiful bed. It doesn't come with a house, but you can get this interior designer to do this for you. Bed space, you know, beautiful light fixtures, more wall sconces on the wall, wardrobe spaces right here, and that's it for this bedroom. So on this other side behind the door we have some storage in the mirror. So yeah. Wow, you look so. I should buy this house. The master bedroom. So stunning. This is a 6 by 6 bed, and this place is so spacious. I love it, and yeah, this is the bed space. A lot of wardrobe space. Yeah, and it is well partitioned, so that's a plus. And as you can see from the ceiling, you have downlighters on this side, a beautiful lighting fixture over here. You know, sparklights on the wall. Yeah, and that's it for this bedroom. So let's go to the washroom. Washroom, the master washroom. It is so stunning, and you can see the vanity, you know, the medicine cabinet. It's so beautiful. I think this opens up like so, and you even have more space. You hang your towel, socket for your showers, WC. Shower area is right here. And yeah, that's it for this master bedroom. Let's go to the balcony. Here is the master balcony, and they have placed a lecture right here. So this is absolutely beautiful. I love it. Yeah, that's it for this bedroom. So here is the DSQ, quite spacious, bed space, wardrobe space, and a little kitchenette over here. And we have a washroom right here. This house, guys. Thank you so much for watching till the very end. If you're interested in viewing it, there's a number in the description box. Just call and you'll get assisted. That's it for this video. See you on the next one. Bye.